These are the top 7 coin tricks on Penguin Magic that you can do that use only sleight of hand. Stick around to the end of the video to find out which of these tricks that I used to win my local magic competition. Coming in at number 7 is Charming Chinese Challenge by Troy Hoosier. 3 coins with a hole in them are threaded onto a ribbon, and one at a time they melt off the ribbon like rings of smoke. Now, the original version of this trick was published in Destroyers, The Magic of Troy Hoosier by Joshua J. And now there's a killer set available on Penguin Magic. You're actually looking at it right over here. It has the perfect coins and the perfect ribbon. Now, I've been playing with this effect since I was in high school. It's super fun, and there's some great variations on it by magicians like Mario Lopez, Avi Yap, and Alex Latorre. And actually, Alex teaches his version on his Penguin Live. You should check it out. If you're at all a fan of the ring on string plot, this one is worth the look. Now, let's take a look at number 6. Number 6 on this list is The Matrix from Oz Perlman. Now, traditionally, Matrix or Shadow Coin routines feature 4 coins on the table, and as you cover them with your hands, they jump around. There are great variations on this with cards, dollar bills, and all manner of props. But if you want a crash course in this, check out The Matrix by Oz Perlman. It's a super simple routine that'll get you started. One of my favorite variations on this is in Curtis Cam's Penguin Live 3, it's the Keiko assembly. He uses just 4 coins and subverts expectations while turning coins over to make a visual feast for the eyes. And I know that this list, I'm supposed to stick to things that use only sleight of hand, but you should check out Translocation by Chris Korn on his Penguin Live lecture, or Hysteria by Chad Long. These are some really cool gimmick variations on this plot. By the way, I'm Eric Tate from Penguin Magic. I'm one of the performers and teachers here at Penguin, and we like to make these lists so that you can get right to some of the best routines in Magic and start amazing your audiences straight away. And before I get on with the rest of the list, do me a favor. Hit the like and subscribe buttons and ring the bell so that you'll be notified the next time we put up a video to help you navigate your own journey in Magic. Okay, let's get back to the list with number 5. Number 5 is Pretty Penny by Michael John. We're coming up on some of my favorite routines and plots in Coin Magic, and here we're talking about coin in bottle. Usually the only way to do a coin in bottle routine is with a gimmick, but this is a list that uses only sleight of hand. And the biggest breakthrough in coin in bottle is Pretty Penny by Michael John. It's a real coin in bottle effect where neither the coin nor the bottle is gimmicked in any way. David Blaine is a huge fan of this trick, and so am I. It has some of the most beautiful visuals in Coin Magic. Just look at when the coin passes through the bottom of the bottle. You're gonna love it. It's really easy to do, and the secret is super cool. I love that you can perform it and then give the bottle and coin away as an impossible souvenir. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is 3 Fly 3 taught by Daryl. 3 Fly is a super visual coins across type effect where the coins vanish at the fingertips and then reappear at the fingertips. Daryl's work on this is great because it doesn't need a bunch of crazy gaffes, everything is motivated, it plays up and out because all of the transportations happen at chest level. So your audience is looking at your face as well as the magic. And the download on this is great because it's an updated version from the original booklet Daryl released on the subject more than 20 years ago. So the moves are cleaner, the routine is more polished, and you get additional options taught so that you can find the sleights that'll work best for your hands. Now, let's look at number 3. Coming in at number 3 is Flip by Wes Iseli. For my money, there are fewer things better than being able to control the flip of a coin. And the best way to do this is Flip by Wes Iseli. Wes used this on Fool Us to fool the daylights out of Penn and Teller. In this download, Wes gives you a foolproof method to determine as well as alter the outcome of a coin flip. This can be used for predictions or even to force the choice of a specific person in the audience. It's such a powerful secret that Penn and Teller started using it in their show. This is one of those secrets that everyone in Coin Magic should learn. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is a plot that I've used to win my local Magic competition, and it's Spellbound. Originally created by Dai Vernon, Spellbound is a beautiful color change of a coin, usually from silver to copper and back again. Now, I collect a lot of these changes. Some of my favorites are from videos like Cultural Exchange from Apollo Robbins and Shutagawa. Ponta the Smith has some excellent changes on his Sick DVD, and Eric Jones has some as well. But one of the most magical looking Spellbound routines is the one you are looking at right here. It's on Penguin Magic. It's Mike Eaton's Eaton Spellbound. Using just a couple of coins, Mike makes these changes look incredible. And he's a great teacher, so you are going to be able to learn it. Mike does a lot of restaurant work, so you know that these aren't just stuff that he's come up with in his bedroom. You know that they have seen some time in the real world. Now, let's find out what's at number 1. Number 1 is coin under watch. This is probably one of the most powerful things you can do for a spectator with a coin, and it's make that coin appear under their watch. Gregory Wilson has a really wonderful thing called Watch Over Coin, but Oz Perlman has an incredible download where he teaches a bunch of routines, including one where a signed coin appears under their watch. I actually use this technique at the end of one of my routines for Arcade Coin, which I know is technically a gimmicked coin, but getting the coin under the watch doesn't require gimmicks at all. There's something incredibly personal about a foreign object appearing under the timepiece on your wrist you wear every day. It's incredibly surprising, and no lay audience will see it coming. It's worth the time to put the practice in on this because it's easier than you think, and your audience will never see it coming. That's it. That's my top list of coin tricks using only sleight of hand here on Penguin Magic. Let me know some of your favorite routines that use just your hands and a coin in the comments below, as well as suggest some other top lists so that I can help you find the best magic for you to wow your audiences with. I'm Eric Tate from Penguin Magic. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, we'll see you next time.